Has Spire helped me get back to what matters? One word, yes. It's as simple as that. I'm Dave, 68, from West Brom. Got a lovely family around me. I've got the wife Deb. I've got 3 girls. I was born with a condition of the eye called retinitis pigmentosa. And early 30s, I went blind completely. I went total. I had my first guide dog back in '96, and that prompted me into fundraising in a big way. I became the first blind person to run 7 marathons in 7 days on 7 continents. Running's very important to me. It keeps me physically fit, mentally fit.
Good lad.
And hopefully I'm helping people through charities along the way. My right knee was giving me a little bit of jib. But it was beginning to hurt me like I've never had pain before, and I wasn't really owning up to people how much it was hurting. I thought, I might not ever run again. If I don't do something, never mind running, I ain't even going to walk. To have my 3 girls suggest that before I throw my trainers in, let's run a London Marathon, that also gave me that grit, that determination to carry on. Your health comes first. And for me, to spend the money to have your health put proper again, it was a no-brainer. Meeting with the consultant was smashing. He was very, very good. He explained the ins and the outs and the whys and what would happen. He made you feel like you were the only one. To have access to the Mako robot was brilliant. With a robotic cut, much more accurate, and the recovery would be much, much better.
In Dave's situation, his mobility is a key to his independence. I think being able to marry the technology that I had access to at Spire helped me to deliver surgery for him that gave him a greater chance of achieving those high levels of functions that Dave needs.
Recovery was great. I can just remember people talking to me, am I okay? Would you like something to eat? Oh, that would be lovely. You know, nothing was too much trouble for them. Physios were smashing. It was like physio was tailored to me. They knew about what I was hoping to achieve. They gave me some simple instructions to do a couple of exercises, and it was great.
It was really important to empower Dave to get back to the things that he wanted to do. Clearly this was a big part of him as a person, his personal identity, but also was incredibly important for his physical and mental well-being, so we wanted to make sure that we supported him in that.
I was jogging within 3 months. That pain was taken away. The rest is history because I've run a London Marathon since.
2-mile team!
So the end result was absolutely brilliant.
The fact that we were able to run the marathon together was really special. We were completely on a high. It gave him his passion, it gave him his lifeline back. It's those experiences with his loved ones, that's priceless. How was that?
That was pretty good. To contact Spire was one of the best decisions I've made in my life. And I've made a few, believe you me, but that was one of the best. At the end of the day, I wanted the pain gone and I wanted a normal life back. And Spire has given me that.